Here we go, box break of Topps Finest for JamesKor. Good luck. Too many boxes. Should have an auto and an auto relic, one in each. Alrighty, here we go. Good luck. First, nice, we have an Orange Refractor Finest Moments of Steven Strasburg. Orange Refractor Finest Moments of Strauss. Next, we have a Refractor of Jared Weaver, number to 549. Not too shabby. This is JamesKor. There's your base pack. Nice. X-Fractor, number to 299, Ichiro. X-Fractor, number to 299 of Ichiro. Next, Pinstripe, numbered out of 499, dual jersey and autograph of Hector Noesi for the Yankees. Refractor of Troy Tulowitzki out of 549. On to the second stack. Your base pack. Refractor of Roy Halladay out of 549. Orange Refractor of Finest Foundation of Roy Halladay. Orange. Green Refractor number to 199 of Andrew McCutchen. Andrew McCutchen. Nice. X-Fractor Rookie Auto number to 299 of Jordan Walden. Number to 299 X-Fractor Rookie Auto. Nice. And last pack, we have an Orange Refractor number 67 of 99 of Cole Hamels. So there you have it.